and today we're going to be making Valentine slime. Yay! Okay, so, oh yeah, first of all, I'm going to be making some cookies too. You know, we always have to have Valentine hearts for the season or whatever. I'm going to be making some Valentine slime and some cookies. So say hi to my little Okay, so we're going to be making some, wait, how are we gonna make this bread? That's what I just thought about. How are we going to make it red? Mom! How are we going to make the slime red?
Oh, you gonna take your time?
No. Okay. So, ooh, the cookies smell delicious. Okay. Here's the glue. I don't know why I just like mixing glue. There's the glue. I added a little bit too much, but that's okay. So, let's add some of this powder. You know how they have the powder? Comment down below if you like Fun-Dip. If you like Fun-Dip. I'll get the red packet. Whoa. This is what the Fun-Dip powder looks like. It's not really red, it's like a pink. Maybe this will turn the slime red. It literally turned the slime pink. What about if I added red frosting? Would that help or no? I think it will help. Gosh, did Mom even get the frosting? Mom, did you get the frosting? Frosting? Why did I say frosting? Okay, that didn't work at all. It's literally pink. You guys, should we just add these to make it look red? None of them are even coming out. It's literally open. Oh no, it's not. Turquoise. Okay, that didn't help at all. Oh, and nail polish. That will help.
Does it look okay?
Red paint. I mean red nail polish. It has to work. I mean, it could be red or pink. So yeah, this is the color pink. These are pink. it. These are cute containers. Those literally filled up like the thing. Okay, activator time. That should be enough. This like kind of is not working. Oh, never mind. I'm so weird. JK, I'm funny. Okay, it's really jiggly. Here, let me move that. Move all of these. Now I'm gonna poke it. See how jiggly. I don't know why it got jiggly, but actually the Fun Dip actually makes your slime jiggly. Probably this too. Or probably nail polish. Where did I put that nail polish? That. Okay. Now. Okay. She didn't even wet it. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you guys a challenge. 10-second subscribe challenge. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. We're not ending this video, but make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Boom! Make sure you subscribe to our channel, Ariana and Friends. Woo woo! I'm so weird. Okay. Our cookie time. It's our cookie time. Woo hoo! Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's take our ingredients. So what we have some, there's slime stuff on it. Pink frosting, white frosting, and red frosting. We're going to decorate our cookies. These smell delicious. First, let me outline my cookie white first. If you guys are wondering why are you designing Need to cook it white first, even though. Okay guys, so right now I'm just outlining my cookie. Dun dun dun! What should I make it like? Let's see what they did. Be mine, I should do that. But did they cover it with all white frosting first? Yes, they covered it with all white frosting first. So let me write my name. Do you like my name? Yes, I am using the spoon from the slime. Then I'll just put a smiley face with the whites again. Heart eye. I have the baddest handwriting, but if you wonder what that pink is, it's his tongue. That's my cookie. Hope you like it. Time to eat it. It's a pretty good cookie. What I like the best is the frosting. It doesn't smell as good as it's gonna taste. Sorry. It's good. Who would want to eat it like this? And someone licked it and stuff. Oh my bad. Bye guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified every single time we've been posting. Just kidding. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified every single time we post. And yeah, that's all I have to say for this video. So, you guys,